guys, it is Jack and welcome to a new video today. I was recently faced with a dilemma. I was using this phone case, which is the PITAKA phone case. And it was recommended by people like Everything Apple Pro and a ton of other big YouTubers. And it's essentially one of the thinnest cases on the market. It only adds about 1 millimeter to your phone. Plus, it honestly looks pretty dope. But the real problem I had with it were not the looks, but the durability. Considering how thin it is, while sure it is made out of bulletproof material, it's practically got no lip. So if I were to drop it right now, it would almost definitely crack the screen, and that's why I've got a screen protector on there. And so the dilemma basically was, do I get a case that's a little bit more thick, that's going to have more protection, but then sacrifice the looks? Or do I stay with this case that looks really cool, but then risk possibly breaking my phone? And this is a dilemma a lot of people have probably had. But today, I think I've finally found the solution. This is the UAG MONARCH case. And this case is essentially the solution to all my problems. Not only does it look really awesome, but as it says, it's drop-tested military standard. It's got 5-layer protection, and come on, there's literally screws visible inside this case. Let's open this guy up. This is very exciting. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. Ooh, that was very slick. And I think you could just pull the case out just like this. There's almost no wrapping on the actual box. There you go. Wow! Okay, that is a durable case. Look at this, man. Oh my god. It just has that feeling, you know? Let's take off the PITAKA case, which, by the way, I did do a full video on. Link will be in the description. Now we can admire that shiny space gray finish. And here are the two cases side by side. You can clearly see that this guy looks a lot more protective. And some might even think this case looks cooler. But the nice thing about this case, as I said, is it's super thin. Look at that difference in thickness. I'm telling you, I bet this case is almost twice as thick as the PITAKA, which only adds 1 millimeter to your phone. But we can't judge anything until we try it on. I'm thinking you just kind of slip it in, but I don't know. Oh yeah, easy. That's it. It's on. Whoa! Okay, that looks really cool. I mean, come on, tell me that isn't one of the coolest cases you've ever seen. Now, granted, this case does come in red, which I know is a little bit cooler, but the red case was $60, and so it's really just not worth that extra cash. Either way though, this case is so cool, and it's definitely a lot more protective than this PITAKA case. But is it worth it? Well, it all comes down to what you're into. If you're into a really minimalistic design that's really thin but still gets that really good protection across, this guy is awesome. And again, it's made out of Kevlar, which is what they make bulletproof vests out of. One problem I do have with it though is it does chip. Another plus though to this Kevlar is that it makes this really cool design on the back. You can tell it's got this cool like weave design. And if you're into minimalistic cases, this guy is definitely what you're gonna want to get. But if you're more into rugged, this case is much more your speed. I can just tell it is so heavy. Well, it's not that heavy, but it's a lot heavier than this guy. This feels like paper. And sure, I do like minimalism and these minimalistic cases, but when I'm out and about living my life, I'm not gonna be treating my phone like a baby. I'm gonna be throwing it around, well, not maybe throwing it around, but sticking it in my pocket and maybe taking it off, and occasionally I might drop it. And I would like if my case wasn't chipping, and definitely if my screen protector wasn't cracking. So overall, which case is better? Well, it all just comes down to your style. So for me, I would definitely prefer the UAG case, since I still think it looks really cool, plus it's a lot more protective. But again, it really just comes down to your style. Let me know in the comment section down below which case you like better. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I'm Jack. Peace.